Hey guys. I know. It's crazy. How'd you end up here? Where's your mommy? You want some water? Come on. Open your mouth. Yeah, see, it's water. Come on. I know. Open. Open. How about your brother? Does your brother want some water? Come on, over here, buddy. Oh, you're running away. Here, drink some water. Drink some water. I know you can taste it. You want some more? Here. How about you? There you go. There you go. You could drink it. You're doing good. You guys are like just so calm. There you go. Good boy. Here you go. You want some? Here, drink the little. There you go. You taste it. Come on. There you go. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Did you pull them out of that?
No, I think they came out.
They were just here.
Yeah.
God dang it. Well, we got to take them to Houston. Stanislaus Animal something. I don't know what the name of it is. Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah, they are.
At least they're not naked. Are they drinking?
Yeah, when I make them, I don't know if they're old enough to eat on their own.
Yeah, he said the sooner we get them there, since they're so little, the better.
What time is it?
They close at 4.
You know that's an hour drive, right?
No, I don't know anything.
Oh, yeah, it's past Turlock.
What is it, 2:30?
Yeah.
And he said if I'm going to be a little late, half hour, 15 minutes, just call him and he'll stay for them. So I'll get dressed if you'll put them in.
A carrier or something?
What's maybe one of those empty boxes with some. Do we have? I don't have any more bedding for chickens, do I?
I mean, they barely move. I think they'll be okay.
I just meant so they don't get sloshed around while driving. No. How's that CVS box?
Oh.
Is it pretty bad?
No, it's got a little bit of dust, but I'll just grab
Maybe a handful of leaves?
That'll probably be all right.
Yeah. Oh, hi, honey. Oh, great. Now I ruined their lives. I ruined the other birds' lives. I wonder where Mama is.
Probably bounced as soon as the tree hit the ground. Or came back at night, you know?
Have you looked around for more?
What's that?
Have you looked around for more?
I mean, just from when I was walking around, that was the only ones I noticed.
Where were they when you found them?
Right there.
Oh.
This big long log
Yeah?
was on its side over here for some reason.
Oh. Oh, maybe they saw them in there
So I picked it up
and they rolled out?
and then I put it over there, and when I came back, they were there.
I bet those guys saw them in there and just carefully put that log there. Is that one okay?
I don't know. They're probably tired as hell. You hear them? That's how I knew they were owls.
I'm so sorry, babies. I'm so sorry. Okay, I gotta get dressed and take them. I can't have this on my heart.
Okay.
Shit.
Hi, guys. You're going to be all right.